Hi everyone, Hannah here. So in this video we will make a charm for our May-June mixed media junk journal. Hope you enjoy. So it had completely slipped my mind with so much going on this summer, and I completely forgot to do this tutorial to wrap up our May-June mixed media junk journal. So a friend had asked about it, and I was like, oh wow, I completely forgot about that. So I wanted to get this tutorial uploaded before we get started on our July-August mixed media unboxing and tutorial part 1 video. So I am so sorry that I forgot about that. I think I just have so much going on and my brain just can't hold everything that I would like for it to, and I do forget from time to time on some things. So thank y'all for your patience and bearing with me. What I am doing is taking the lace that you received in your kit. Some of the lace varied throughout the kits, so I'm just using what I have. And, I like to just kind of line everything up and then sew it together. You could even staple it together. If you're stapling it, I would also reinforce it with some glue, or really stitching is your best bet, for it to last a long time. You could even run it through the sewing machine. And I probably should have done that. Sewing by hand does take a while. So, and I want to make sure it gets it real good. So, I like to sew from the front and the back and, give it a good stitch. So this will be a charm. The long white piece of lace will go inside the book and work as a bookmark. And then you will have these shorter pieces of lace and seam binding and our bead charm and our little bottle, hanging on the outside, to add some sparkles, some interest to our book cover. So I'm taking a little piece of lace and tying it around this little bottle, and then I'm just going to sew the little piece of lace to another piece of lace, and that way it will adhere our bottle to our charm. hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions at all, feel free to let me know. Thanks so much for watching.